We are at the Academy Award Museum in LA. UCR means it's kind of my origin story a little bit, a place that I didn't expect to end up. And when I did, I felt so at home.
I got a chance to figure out what I like to do. It got supported in the types of classes I took. And I also, most importantly, got the chance to learn that you can fail at something. You can learn and grow, and now I work as a screenwriter when I didn't do great in English, and you find your way around. As an alumnus, you want to be able to share your experience, to give back where you can, to give a little bit of help, a lift up, or learn, how about that, from kind of a new generation.
You've gone there for 4 years and you have some pride in the university, and I think with these events, it's kind of what brings people back. And for me personally, I think I do want to know what's happening at UCR. I want to know what people are doing after they graduate. That's what was important to me, is just kind of stay in touch with UCR, meeting people that came from the same university.
You get to meet people in different phases of life and their journey, and you get to see where they are at and where they started. Maybe take some advice from someone, because nobody's journey is the same. Come to an event. You might not realize, oh, maybe that's a path that I want to go on. You know, it holds a special place in my heart as far as, hey, that's where you got the idea of where to pursue next.
I think UCR meant to me the ability to find out who I actually am. Just being part of the mix. And listen, I'm really proud of going to UCR and graduating from there. I feel it's like a home, and if I can help, I will. And I just like being part of things like this.